Hello, all, welcome back to Chill with Sabby. I hope you're all doing well. Today, the video is about the Flintstone, which comes with the Fred Flintstone and the Flintmobile. It is from the Jada Toys. So let's get back to the history that why I bought this. As a kid, I used to watch the Flintstone. It was one of the memorable TV show which I loved to watch with my brother. It is really fun to see these diecast model of the Flintmobile, a famous vehicle from the classic animated TV show that aired in 1960. So before we dwell into detail, let's unbox this. As it comes with lots of tapes and you have to unscrew to get those Flintmobile from the box and the figure too. It looks really great. It doesn't look cheap at all. It's well made, die-cast, and comes with the heavy die-cast metal parts. And it features the working wheels, which is highly detailed. And the best part is the Flintstone figure. It's fully metal and well painted. I'm really impressed with the Flintmobile. It moves smoothly, even though the surface is a bit bumpy, it glides on the smooth surface. The wheels look great. It really brings back my old memories of watching the show after the school. I'm so thankful for the characters and the return of the Flintmobile. Even Hot Wheels released many versions in 1:64 scale. The Flintmobile, and this year they released a monster truck version of the Flintmobile. I'm eagerly waiting to get those vehicles too. So right now, I'm happy with this one, and it is going on my shelf. So let me know in the comments what you think about this Flintmobile. If you have any thoughts, please share, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, as it takes a lots of work and research to get these vehicles and of course time. So please help me reach my goal. Thank you for all your support, views, and kind wishes. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting. And thank you so much.